Hi friends, this is Gangadhar Reddy from Nitya Computers, Hyderabad. This is Dell Optiplex 7040 model, Sff, i7 6th generation, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512 M.2 SSD, 1 TB hard disk. This is print profile, USB 2.0 2 ports, USB 3.0 2 ports. This is back end profile, one HDMI port, DP port 2 numbers, USB 3.0 4 numbers, USB 2.0 2 numbers, one network port with Windows 10 virtual operating system. This is inside profile. I will show you everything.